Hi, my lovely people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you, my people? How is everybody, wherever you're watching me from? If you are waking up, good morning. If you are sleeping, good night. You're going to sleep, good night. If you're having lunch, have a nice lunch time. How are you? Depending the time and the country you're watching me from, depending with your time zone. So, it's Akaliche vlogs here, please, guys. I'm here again with another new video. So my people, please go to YouTube. Please go to YouTube, search It's Akaliche Vlogs. You'll find me there. Please like, share, subscribe, watch my videos, and I'll be so grateful, my people. Thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 plus. Let us continue and reach 2,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. May God bless you and guide you always. So today, have you ever had missed meat in your house and you have no idea how to use it or where to use it? So I had missed meat in my house. I had missed meat. I think it's 1 kg, but I have no idea how to use it. Reason why? Because I know you can use it into kebabs. I know you can use it into what? Meat roll. I know you can use it into meat stew, but my mood was not in that. So I just decided to take my missed meat, put it on fire without knowing what to do with it, but I was just there, guys. And then I took the camera and start shooting. So please, let's see what will come out of this. What am I going to make? Because I'm so confused, because it's after 3 days I had made kebabs. I had made recipes for missed meat, from missed meat. So for this one I had no idea, but the missed meat was here. And as for me, I don't love to just fry missed meat and then eat. I don't. I have either to make samosa or sausage or kebabs or meat rolls. So let us see what this video will turn out into. As you can see here, I boiled them for 10 minutes. They are dry now, so I'm trying to make them one, separate them. As you all know, mixed meat, when you put on fire, if you're not careful, they'll come out like one stone or like a dough. So you have to stir in them for them to separate, to cook well. At this stage, I think they're ready. It's time now to put my recipes, not recipes, my ingredients, these spices. But I think at this stage is optional. You can use natural spices, you can use ready-made spices from the supermarkets or from shops. So as for me, I mixed spices. I used the ready-made spices from the shop or from the supermarkets, and also I added the natural ones spices. So let's mix this and then see the next stage. And I think I'll call it what? Neutral? Should I call the video neutral? Let be like neutral. Let us see this. Let us see how things will turn out. So welcome, and I love you so much. Let's go protect and help people. As you continue supporting your dad here, be sure you are loved from this side 100%. So let us do this. So here is all-purpose flour. This is all-purpose flour. I want to make a dough that we will use to put in our minced meat. And make a dough, and then we make small pockets that we'll use to put in our minced meat. So let us make the dough, and then we'll see what follows. So as you can see there, guys, that is the idea. I don't know if the idea is good or bad. I'm still waiting for the outcome. You can reach at this stage and then you put them into oil and then they open. Everything spread everywhere. So as you can see there, I have put my oil to fire. Put my oil to fire to be hot, not that much hot, but to be normal temperature of frying. As I continue to close or to cover or to put the minced meat inside there, to cover the minced meat. So that's, I think, was the idea. So I don't know if the idea is good or bad, but let us see. Let us see how it will turn out. Let us see. So you can see there is my knee, and then we want now to start to fry. So here we're checking if the oil is hot or if it has the normal temperature of frying. If you want to check your oil, if it's ready. Please use a toothpick, don't use your finger, because when you use your finger you'll be burnt. So use a toothpick or a wood, that cooking stick wood, you can use that. So as for mine, it's ready. It's time now to dip in. My people, I'm just laughing at myself. That's how we dip in. I think we'll call this kebabs. Is it kebabs or meat roll? So here, there, as you can see, it's time now to dip. It's time now to fry. And then you see how they will turn out. They're looking so yummy, so yummy. So I'm remaining with this four. This is our last round, and here is the results. Guys, here is the result. It was so yummy. Tastes like a kebab, tastes like a samosa, tastes like meat roll, but it was so yummy. Aside, I'm having ketchup, that's ketchup. So you can decide dip in and eat, dip in and bite, whichever way you feel. Can use a fork, can use anything to use this, and you can take it with the cold drink. So thank you guys.